the process by which the famed colors of Indian silk are fixed into the skeins of thread themselves. The silk is prepared for dyeing by first dipping in a soap bath to remove the gum from the yarn. It is dipped in a boiling dye solution. Care is taken to ensure that every strand of every skein is completely soaked in the solution. The time taken for the dyeing process depends on the brightness of color specified by the master dyer. The skeins are then washed again and are now ready for the final part of the journey, weaving. A glance at the working of a power loom. And then we meet Nageshwara Rao, master weaver from a long line of hand weavers of silk, who is happy to show us his loom. It is an extensive operation employing 400 weavers, from apprentice to master levels. It's a labor of love and dedication, as well as a skilled display of craftsmanship. As the product emerges day after painstaking day, we begin to understand why silk is so valued, and hand-woven silk is treasured above all else. An exotic silk sari may take weeks to weave, depending on the intricacy of the design. No wonder that, after so long on the loom, a finished sari is handled with the utmost care.
The demand for silk saris is great, but at no point do we lower our quality standards. We use only the best quality silk thread. All saris that come from my looms are genuine silk without any mix of other fibers like polyester or cotton. It's all pure silk, and that's why I am authorized to use the silk mark.
From Nageshwara Rao's facility and hundreds of thousands of others across the country, silk saris and fabrics make their way to retailers all over India. From all over they come to delight the heart and grace every celebration. Let's take a look at some of the gorgeous silks of India. Romantic Maharani saris, the dazzling Nakshikanta of Bengal, the grandiose Garcholas of Gujarat, an array of Banarasi brocades, tantalizing Tassa varieties, the ceremonial Banarasi Khatan saris, wedding saris of Kanchipuram, elegant Kashmiri chignons, plain and printed, traditional Narayanpet saris, Kosa lightweight casual saris, innovative Dupion saris, the majestic Matka range of saris, the royal prints of Murshidabad, and the magnificent Balucheris of Bengal. No wonder Indian silks are renowned across the world. Sericulture in India is now poised to take the next big leap forward. And Silk Mark Organization of India contributes its expertise and verification process every step of the way. All this so that you can be completely assured that the silk you buy is nothing but pure silk. Today, pure silks produced across the country are authenticated by Silk Mark Organization of India, an initiative of Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India.
India is the largest consumer of silk in the world. We all love silk. We are emotionally attached to silk. But how sure are you that you are getting pure silk? The Government of India thought it appropriate to introduce a silk mark label to ensure that the interests of the consumers are protected. There is a lot of adulteration in the silk industry Therefore, the Silk Mark label has been introduced and it is promoted through the Silk Mark Organization of India across the country. The Silk Mark Organization of India has 1,700 authorized users today across the country selling only pure silk. They have all entered into an agreement with the Silk Mark Organization of India to sell only pure silk products. Elaborate arrangements have also put in place to ensure that the consumers' interests are protected. When you look for silk, always look for Silk Mark label. That's the only assurance of pure silk. In order to create awareness about Silk Mark, more than 2,000 road shows, workshops and mega silk expos have been conducted across the country. The Silk Mark Organization of India is striving hard to bringing new initiatives to the consumers, and the Great Indian Silk Mark Festival is one among them. Always look for pure silk products during this festival time and win exciting prizes.
From fashion textiles to home furnishings and upholstery, from made-ups to carpets and rugs, every product that bears the Silk Mark tag is recognized by customers across the country as a genuine, pure silk product. Going further, Silk Mark is now introducing a safer, more secure marking directly onto the silk fabric using a fusion transfer label system powered by nanotechnology. This is the ultimate credibility system for 100% consumer confidence.
How do I know if all this is really pure silk?
Good question, ma'am. In fact, there's something known as flame test. It's a very simple test, but then somewhat destructive, and nobody would like to try it out at any shop. If you burn a thread and it emits smell of burnt hair, the thread is genuine.
I want only pure silks, no blends.
Simple, ma'am. Look for the Silk Mark tag with the hologram. It's as simple as that. So, it's like Agmark for food and Hallmark for gold. Exactly, sir. Silk Mark for silk.
Remember, every time you purchase a silk product, a great part of what you spend goes back to society. You are thus truly contributing to the livelihood, welfare and upliftment of all the lakhs of farmers, rearers, reelers, dyers and weavers. All those for whom it is a profession and passion to produce silk, India's magic fabric.
I will take these Silk Mark sarees.
Good choice, ma'am. Please do come again.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.